What's going on, everybody? It's Saturday morning, beautiful weather outside. It's race day, couldn't ask for better weather. Unfortunately, we ain't gonna get to go racing tonight. Had our parts come in, part of them fixed this thing yesterday, and here Dylan coming up behind me, and he's screaming Rebel Rocket. He finally showed up to work on the car this morning. We got our hub in yesterday. Got a rotor. We still got to get some trailing arms. We found out both upper trailing arms were bent. What's up, sir?
What's up?
Got to replace both upper trailing arms. Got to replace the shock.
May just only have to replace one upper.
Well, possibly one upper.
Maybe.
At least one. Got to replace the shock. Hub was bent. Rotor was completely gone. You can see behind me the body damage. We're gonna have to do something about the body. We're probably gonna just piece it together. Honestly, it really needs to go down to Mingo Market with Motorsports, but I don't think that's gonna happen right now. Probably gonna have to hold off on that. But anyway, we're gonna get to work on this thing, see if we can get it put together. Hopefully we'll be back at the track soon.
Do you hear that?
Needs a hand on a gun. Can't trust anyone. It's got short studs. Yeah, it does. Golly, that scared me to death. I thought I got shot. Oh, man.
All the way across the top right there.
Down?
Yeah, the ones that you can get without getting this way.
College football.
That one, I think, just hit the trigger. I don't think you gotta have a ready gun. Keep up with them, don't lose the boats.
Dang, Ellie. Dirt went all on my head. When you walked out of my life.
That's probably good. No.
I done did
Up here in the front, see any more up here? Keep that tarp up. No, well, yeah, you have to.
This one?
No,
That one down on the bottom, Ellie.
That one's loose.
On the bottom.
What? Make good money there. Especially the welder Jones work. How much good is money on that? Hey, don't get that on the trailer.
Oh, I'm not. You realize it? Well, I thought it might have still been on video. Woo! What's up, guys? It's Sunday, day after race day.
as y'all know, we didn't get to race last night. We got a few things tore up on the car. We put the hub on and started bolting everything up, put the brake caliper on, and we realized that we have a bent brake caliper bracket. So I'm going to pull the hub all the way back off. Russ is supposed to be ordering a brake caliper bracket, and we'll get that all put back together, and maybe we'll get everything on there, and maybe we'll be ready for the race Saturday night at TNR, Tennessee National Raceway in Hohenwald, Tennessee. We done a little, fixed a little body damage. Got everything beat out. Here's the 2 quarter panels that we beat out. Spoiler blade, and then the tailpiece. As you can tell, this quarter panel right here is about ripped plumb off. So that's the one that we're gonna have to get Jason Markowitz to fix us up with something.